All right, that is not normal. That is factory exhaust on an 02 Dodge 2500 with the 5.9 Cummins diesel motor in it. Factory exhaust, factory air filter, no programmers or chips or tuners. Nothing's painted blue or pink or purple. We're fixing an oil leak right here. Gear case is leaking oil. 180,000 original miles. Little extended cab short bed. Ooh, that's a squeaky door. Yeah, not bad for second gen. Got the rear disc brakes, and we got some front end work to do. I'll show you guys what's going on up there. That front diff is toast. But here we go.